Environmentally sustainable design. This is an important module. The reason for that is because this knowledge will actually become part of your brief to your architect. So it is important to understand these little tweaks and things, because in the long run, not only do they establish you as somebody who knows what you're talking about, but it also saves you money in terms of design and more efficient, and in terms of the perceived value that you can achieve for the product that you're developing. So let's look at some of the design principles. So just zoom out a little bit and show you what all does it have, and let's zoom back in. Okay, northern orientation or living rooms. By having living spaces positioned to make the most of northerly sunlight, everybody knows that you get the sun from the north. So carefully selecting your site so your home orientation takes advantage of solar energy can help you achieve up to 1 star rating. So environmentally sustainable design would include all of these things. So you would want to design your development in a way so that it makes the best of the natural sunlight. Minimizing east and west facing wall, wider eaves and awnings for shading, make better use of the sun by shading windows in summer with eaves and external blinds and tailored landscaping, natural ventilation through windows and doorways, increase insulation in the roof space and walls, treated glazing, particularly of windows facing west and northwest, light colored roof and external walls. Look, I don't expect anybody to go through this once. Even I don't know that all of this is once. However, whenever it's time for me to sit with an architect and give a brief, I make sure that I've gone through this and I've taken my notes, and I can go there and tell them this is what I'm after. So when they design, they are just as cautious as I am, so that my development comes out the way I would like it to. So light colored roof and external walls, ceiling fans in living areas and bedrooms, especially in Queensland. Well designed and located outdoor living areas, decks, verandas, patios. So design your home to complement its construction. Houses with concrete slab floors and those with suspended timber floors each perform differently in summer and winter. For example, carpet can provide timber floor homes with extra floor insulation for warmth in winter, whereas tiles on a concrete slab will make it easier for the floor to store solar energy collected through good passive design. So these are some things that you got to remember. Consider the internal layout of your home to enhance energy efficiency, such as locating windows opposite one another to create cool breeze, cross ventilation, and minimizing large stairwells so your home does not lose valuable warmth. So utilize windows to improve energy through attention to size and location, and by making use of large range of high performance energy efficient glazing products like double glazing or triple glazing. We have triple glazed windows. However, as a developer, everything boils down to economics, and most of the people want to only do what is the bare minimum requirement. For example, in Victoria, we've got 6-star energy rating, and as long as my design covers 6-star, I don't want to spend on triple glazed windows. If it was my own house, it was a different story. So all these things come into play. However, it just depends upon where you want to position yourself as a developer. So and we are actually in the process of branding our development company at this stage. Install energy efficient lighting. By far the standards now become LED. Anything that's now going into newly built homes is all LED. There's a good website, and you can have a look at it. It's the Australian government website, which talks about environmental sustainability, the ESG design guide for office and public buildings, and then you've got all these things. This is all about water counting standard boards, water efficiency, so it'll talk about rain tanks and all different things that apply to it.